With the modern ute being used for work, play and as the family vehicle, everyday life can leave it pretty beat up. The Ridge Ryder Tailgate Protector will keep your ute looking great on the street and functional everywhere else. As a builder or contractor, your ute has a tough life. Always trying to fit more in the tub, you'll end up with a little overhang, which would otherwise damage the tailgate. With its soft velour lining, the tailgate protector will prevent your cargo rubbing through the paint. Adjustable straps hold it in place, and a velcro flap offers access to the latch, so your tailgate protector can be left in place while loading. Pair it with a ute mat to protect the floor of your tub, and you have the ultimate protection package. Maybe you're a keen surfer, mountain biker or kayaker on the weekend. Hanging bike wheels or boards over the tailgate is a secure means of transport, but will ruin your vehicle and your toys without a tailgate protector fitted. As these toys often get muddy and wet, the Ridge Ryder Tailgate Protector is designed for water and mud resistance. And of course, every ute owner is used to being the best mate of anybody moving house or needing a tip run. Keep that tailgate protector strapped on to make sure these tasks don't come at your expense. The great universal design is perfect for most utes looking to maximise space while protecting the top and sides of your tailgate. At the end of a busy week, when it's time to hit the town, your Ridge Ryder Tailgate Protector folds neatly away so you can show off your pride and joy. So, if you head out most weekends and you're looking to protect your tailgate from potential damage, this Ridge Ryder Tailgate Protector is an excellent solution.